Healthy moussaka recipe with chicken. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will make a healthy moussaka recipe with chicken. This dish is perfect for those looking for a delicious and healthy meal packed with protein and nutrients. Ingredients. First, let's take a look at the ingredients we'll need. 500 grams of chopped chicken, 3 large eggplants, 250 grams mushroom, 3 large potatoes, 1 colored bell peppers finely chopped, 2 onion, finely chopped, 3 garlic cloves, minced, 1/4 glass of refined olive oil, 2 grated tomatoes, 2 spoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon thyme, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon salt and pepper. For topping, 2 cups low-fat Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup low-fat grated Parmesan cheese, 2 eggs, beaten, fresh parsley, chopped, 1/2 teaspoon salt and pepper. Instructions. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Slice the eggplants into thin rounds and also cut the potatoes rounds. Brush the eggplant slices and potato with a little bit of olive oil. Place them on a baking sheet. Season the eggplant and potato with salt and pepper to taste. Place them in the oven and grill for about 20 minutes with 190 centigrade heat until they are tender and slightly charred. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add 4 spoons of refined olive oil, chopped onion and minced garlic to the skillet, and cook until the onion is translucent and the garlic is fragrant. After about 10 minutes, add the chopped chicken and colored bell peppers. Cook until golden, breaking it into small pieces with a wooden spoon. Pour grated tomatoes and tomato paste into the skillet, and season with thyme, salt and pepper to taste. Stir everything together and let it simmer for 10 minutes with medium heat. While the chicken mixture simmers, prepare the yogurt topping. Whisk together the Greek yogurt, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, and beaten eggs in a mixing bowl. To assemble the moussaka, in an unbreakable glass container, spread a layer of potato slices and above it eggplant slices on the bottom of a greased baking dish. Top the eggplant with half of the chicken mixture, spreading it out evenly. Pour 1/2 of the yogurt mixture over the chicken mixture layers, spreading it out evenly. Add another layer of eggplant slices, top on a layer of potato slices, followed by the rest of the chicken mixture. Finish with a final layer of chicken mixture. Pour the rest of the yogurt mixture over the last layer, spreading it out evenly. Bake the moussaka in the oven to 175 C for about 35 to 40 minutes, depending on the oven temperature, or until the top is golden and the eggplant is tender. Garnish with chopped parsley and serve hot.